Hey guys, CryptoDad here again, and today I'm going to show you how to quickly liquidate your crypto assets using the Crypto.com app. So let's get started. All right, so I'm here on the Crypto.com homepage. Crypto.com is an iOS-based app where you can buy, sell, trade, deposit, and withdraw cryptocurrencies. But what if you decide that you want to liquidate these cryptocurrencies? How do you convert your cryptocurrency to cash in hand? Well, it's really easy with the Crypto.com app. I'm going to show you how to do it using the Metal Visa card. So I'm here on the Crypto.com Metal Visa card page. I'll put a link to this down in the description below. If you're using Crypto.com to buy and sell crypto assets, then it's a great idea to go ahead and get that Crypto.com Metal Visa card, which will allow you to spend your crypto assets in the real world. So I'll just scroll down a little bit and show you all the tiers of the card that you can get. Now you can get the basic Metal Visa card with no deposit at all, and this card has the functionality which allows you to spend your crypto in the real world. But if you're interested, there are higher tier cards that require deposits that will give you bonuses when you use the card and spend in the real world. So I'll let you check out this page. What I want to focus on today is how you liquidate your assets using the Crypto.com app and put them on the card so that you can spend your crypto in the real world. So let's go over to accounts. And you can see in the accounts interface that I have all of my assets listed here. These are the assets that I have purchased in the Crypto.com app. But what if I decide I would like to convert these to cash? So it's really simple using the Crypto.com Metal Visa card. I'm just going to go over to the bottom lower right and tap over there where it says card. And then you can see the balance of my Metal Visa card. Now, my Metal Visa card is something that I carry around with me in my wallet, and I can use it anytime I want in any store that accepts Visa, which is practically every store, right? But how do I get the balance of the card up? Well, I'm going to use the top up button up there, and I'll just tap top up. And then I have all of these crypto assets that are available for me to cash out onto the card. So I'll start with that Bitcoin up there at the top. Now the default is 100, and that's actually the minimum. But if I would like to sell more, I can simply tap there, up there in the amount, and then I can change the amount that I want to sell. So I can switch this up to say 140, right? And then I'll just choose top up 140 US dollar. I'll confirm that. So basically I just sold my Bitcoin and the proceeds are now available on the card to spend. I can do the same thing with other crypto assets. Notice that I've got $118 in Cardano. So if I go over to the card and hit top up, I can also choose to liquidate my Cardano. And I'll just go ahead and choose the default of 100 and tap top up 100 US dollars. Notice there that I'm going to be selling my ADA tokens. I'll tap confirm here. And there we go. Now I've liquidated my ADA tokens and my available balance has gone up on my Metal Visa card. So now I have $335 on my Metal Visa card, which I can spend in the real world. As I mentioned, I can take my card into just about any store, clothing, sports, even grocery stores, and use this card to make my purchase. I can also, if I need cash in hand, run over to an ATM and withdraw the cash directly using an ATM. So this is a quick and easy way to liquidate your crypto and put it right on your card so that you can spend it right away in the real world. If you have any questions about anything I did, please throw them up in the comments and I'll do my best to get them answered. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, I would appreciate it. When you subscribe, there's a little bell that you can click that will allow you to be alerted whenever I post new content. Once again, thanks for joining me and hope to see you again soon.